Forget what you thought was coming. Google I/O 2025 wasn't just an update, it was an AI explosion. We're talking a tidal wave of new models, mind-blowing creative tools, and a complete redefinition of how AI will come into your life. If you want to know about every single reveal from Google I/O 2025, from the powerhouse Gemini 2.5 Pro DeepThink to tools that can literally make movies from text, you're in the right place. We'll let you know what this means for innovators, businesses, and creators like you. Google isn't just playing catch-up anymore. They're aiming to redefine the AI game. The overarching theme from I/O 2025? Making AI more proactive, more personal, and woven into everything. Now, many anticipated a model named Gemini 2.5 Ultra, but that specific name didn't materialize as expected. Instead, Google delivered something arguably more strategic with a revised model they're calling DeepThink and a new Ultra tier subscription. So, what did Google unleash? At the core of their AI advancements are new and upgraded models. Google DeepMind has clearly been incredibly busy. Let's start with the much discussed top tier model. Meet Gemini 2.5 Pro DeepThink. This is a significant revision of the Pro model, and it's a big deal for complex tasks like advanced math and coding. It introduces what Google calls parallel thinking, allowing the AI to explore multiple lines of reasoning or solutions simultaneously for more robust answers. Plus, developers will get more control with configurable thinking budgets, essentially allowing them to manage how much computational effort the AI spends on a task. This DeepThink model will be available first to trusted testers via the Gemini API. Then, we will have a general rollout. Subscribers to Google's new Ultra tier will also get early access. Need speed and efficiency? Gemini 2.5 Flash has been upgraded. It's now even faster, more economical, and features thought summaries. This means the AI can provide a summary of its reasoning process, offering improved transparency into how it arrived at an answer. A new preview version of Flash with better speed, efficiency, and coding capabilities is available now, with general availability expected in June 2025. For AI on smartphones or other edge devices, Google introduced open-source Gemma 3N. This is an ultra-lightweight multimodal model, meaning it can understand and process text, image, audio, and even video. It's designed for on-device operation and supports multilingual input. Gemma 3N is currently in preview for developers on AI Studio and AI Edge. There are also a few experimental and specialized models to note. Gemini Diffusion is an experimental research model for text generation, reportedly 5 times faster than previous top models. It's available in developer preview via a waitlist. For music generation, Lyria 2 is now live in Vertex AI for high-fidelity adaptive music, while Lyria Realtime is an experimental interactive music LLM designed for live performance and allows for fine-tuning through its API. It's available via the Gemini API and Google AI Studio. And Google is also releasing open special models. MedGemma, tailored for medical image analysis, and SignGemma for sign language translation. Clearly, AI is getting highly specialized. With these powerful AI brains unleashed, the question becomes, what can we create? Google's answer lies in the next wave of announcements. Truly groundbreaking generative media tools. Leading the charge is Veo 3. Google is calling this its most advanced video generator. We're talking about the ability to produce 4K realism with native audio, dialogue, and noise synthesis directly from text prompts. Veo 3 is available in the US for Google AI Ultra subscribers in the Gemini app, and a new tool called Flow with a private preview on Vertex AI, and broader availability promised in the coming weeks. And the existing Veo 2 model is also gaining new features like reference-powered video for consistent style and characters, camera controls, outpainting, and object addition or removal. Some of these controls are in Flow now, with the full set coming to Vertex AI soon. For still images, Imagen 4 is the new 2K image model. It promises richer, more detailed, and more accurate images with significantly improved text rendering within those images and better adherence to prompts. Imagen 4 is free in the Gemini app, Whisk, Workspace, and Vertex AI, with a new fast version launching soon. But perhaps the most significant announcement in this category is Flow. This is an entirely new AI filmmaking tool. It combines Veo 3 and Imagen 4 with the Gemini model, allowing users to build complete scenes from text prompts and manage their creative assets. This could fundamentally change workflows for content creators, marketers, and even small film studios. Flow is available now to Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers in the US. Beyond these creative tools, Google I/O also delivers significantly for developers and creators. A host of new tools and platform upgrades were unveiled, designed to empower the architects of future technology. If you build applications, write code, or design digital experiences, there are several new tools designed to make your work more efficient. For instance, Agentic Colab is a notebook environment that can reportedly repair its own code and execute tasks automatically. Gemini Code Assist 2.5 is a free copilot and code review agent, now with impressive 2 million token context window. Then there's Firebase Studio, an AI workspace that can convert Figma designs into full-stack applications and automatically set up the necessary backends. And Jules is a new asynchronous coding agent powered by Gemini 2.5 Pro that handles bug fixes and feature prototypes in the background within your GitHub or your repository. It features concurrent tasks and even an audio changelog. Jules is in public beta and is free for now. Alongside these, Google announced Stitch, which generates UI design and front-end code directly from descriptions or images. The Google AI Studio gets a significant upgrade with direct integration of Gemini 2.5 Pro, Imagen 4, and Veo 3 into the editor, plus the Gen AI SDK. There are also new Gemini API functions, including native audio output, a live API, async function calls, a computer use API, URL context, and MCP support, all aimed at easier agent and tool integration. Furthermore, those helpful thought summaries, which provide step-by-step explanations of Gemini's reasoning, are now also available directly in the Gemini API and Vertex AI, enhancing transparency for developers. And for prompting trust and safety in AI-generated content, Google is rolling out the Synth ID detector. This is a portal for checking if images, audio, video, or text were generated using Google's AI tools. It's rolling out to early testers via waitlist, with broader access to follow. From professional tools for developers, we now turn to how this AI explosion will impact the Google products and services many of us use daily. Get ready for Google Search, Chrome, and your daily apps to feel like they have a supercharged, integrated AI brain. A major update is AI mode in Search, which is rolling out to all US users. This new tab in Google Search is powered by Gemini 2.5 and offers advanced reasoning, the ability to handle much longer queries, multimodal search, and instant high-quality answers. A key feature here is Deep Search, which can synthesize cited reports from hundreds of simultaneous searches. Future integrations for AI mode in Search include live capabilities like pointing your camera at something and asking questions, and agentic tools for tasks like buying tickets or managing lists, all with personal context from your Google apps under user control. Gemini and Chrome will bring contextual website assistance directly into the browser. For example, to summarize a long article, clarify a complex topic, or to get help with a task on a web page. This is rolling out on desktop for Google AI Pro and Ultra users in the US in English with privacy controls. The Gemini app itself is also getting updates. This includes Canvas, a new one-click create button to easily turn chats into interactive content like infographics, quizzes, and podcasts in 45 languages. Deep Research in the Gemini app now also allows uploading files like PDFs and images, with Google Drive and Gmail integration coming soon. for comprehensive, contextual reports. Then there's Gemini Live, which brings free camera and screen sharing features, building on Google's earlier Project Astra's capabilities, now rolling out on Android and iOS. You'll be able to point your camera at something and talk to Gemini in real time. This will soon integrate with Calendar, Keep, Maps, and Tasks for smarter planning, shopping, and even fixing things. And for video calling, Google announced Project Beam, the successor to Project Starline. This is an AI-powered 3D calling platform designed to turn 2D video streams into more immersive, realistic meetings. It's launching in collaboration with HP and other enterprise partners later this year. And looking further ahead, Agent Mode, building on Project Mariner, is coming soon for Ultra desktop users. This will allow Gemini to handle complex online goals like filtering, listing, filling forms, or scheduling appointments directly from search results, using the new MCP protocol and automated navigation. These agentic computer use abilities are also coming to developers via the Gemini API and Vertex AI. This is where AI begins to act as a true proactive assistant. Finally, Google Meet will see enhancements with real-time translation, further breaking down communication barriers. That's a huge number of updates integrating AI more deeply into your Google experience. What are you most excited to try? Or perhaps, what are your biggest questions about these changes? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. With all this new capability, a crucial question is access. Google outlined new subscription tiers for different levels of need. Alright, let's talk about access and cost. Google is rolling out new subscription tiers to access these advanced AI features. First, there's Google AI Pro. This is priced at $19.99 per month and is available in the US and other countries. It provides access to many of the newest features, though some, like Flow and Gemini and Chrome, will first come to the US. There's also a note that college students in the US, UK, Brazil, Indonesia, and Japan can get a free school year of Pro. And for power users, developers, and businesses needing the absolute cutting edge and highest use limits, there's Google AI Ultra. This is priced at $249.99 per month, with a 50% discount for the first 3 months for new users. The Ultra tier offers the highest usage limits, the earliest access to advanced models like Veo 3 and Gemini 2.5 Pro DeepThink, access to Flow and its highest limits, and exclusive access to the upcoming Agent Mode. Plus, it includes YouTube Premium and a whopping 30 terabytes of Google storage. Google AI Ultra is available now in the US, with more countries coming soon. These subscription tiers indicate Google's strategy. But, stepping back, what's the overall narrative from I/O 2025? What does this immense wave of announcements truly signify for the future of AI? This I/O event wasn't just a list of new products. It was a clear statement of intent. Google is aggressively building out a deeply integrated AI ecosystem where its Gemini models are designed to work proactively within the system. Imagine AI that can anticipate needs from your emails and calendars to suggest solutions even before you explicitly ask. This is a significant shift. The deep integration of Gemini's native language module across almost all Google products, from wearables like watches and XR glasses to the Pixel phone, allows for adaptive functionality and extended capabilities, like a Maps overlay in XR. This cohesive ecosystem play, even down to offering an impressive 30 terabytes of storage with the Ultra tier, is a powerful move. The sheer number of high-quality models, especially the capability leap demonstrated by DeepThink and the efficiency of Flash 2.5, showcases the continued prowess of Google DeepMind. And between the lines, Google hinted at its future ambitions with the mentions of Genie 2, described as a first attempt at a world model. The ultimate goal, it seems, is a true world model, a comprehensive training environment for future intelligence, potentially capable of simulating all eventualities for robots. This signals Google's belief that their definition of artificial general intelligence is approaching, and that advanced robotics may follow sooner than later. So what's the bottom line from Google I/O 2025? It's this: software and hardware are aligning better than ever within Google's ecosystem. That ecosystem is broader and more finely tuned than before, and the personalization of AI is a key focus arriving in the coming months. AI is truly going live to the masses. Google didn't just hear the wake-up call from competitors in the AI space. They responded with what can only be described as a flurry of innovation, a powerful, overwhelming display. As Satya Nadella once said, he wanted to make Google dance. Google danced indeed, and perhaps more impressively than anyone anticipated. Google is back, more combative, and arguably more innovative than ever. The AI landscape just got a lot more exciting, and the pace of change is only accelerating. Want to unlock the power of AI? Our free newsletter gives you the tips, trends, AI news, and tools you need to succeed. Sign up with the link in the description below. Your journey doesn't stop here. Watch our next video right here, and keep building your knowledge.